Walmart Family Mobile, powered by Straight Talk Wireless, lets you change your phone number either by transferring an existing number from another carrier or getting a new one. You can port an existing number from another carrier or request a new one from available pools. You'll need to be the account owner and have a valid form of ID for verification. The process involves verifying your account, selecting your new number, and paying any applicable fees. Keep in mind that once the change is complete, it's irreversible and fees aren't refundable. As of mid-2024, Straight Talk integrated AI-assisted chatbots, which have drastically reduced wait times from 10 to 15 minutes to under 5 minutes. Number changes typically process within 24 to 48 hours, with confirmation via email or the app. Fees for changing your Walmart Family Mobile number are currently stable in 2025, but experts predict they may decrease due to increased competition and potential FCC regulations that could eliminate them entirely. Regarding rules, changes during active billing cycles have been relaxed for most prepaid options, making it easier to update your number without waiting. Current trends show a shift toward digital self-service, with around 80% of number changes now handled through apps or websites, streamlining the process. Looking ahead, future trends include more automation, possibly using blockchain for secure and instant transfers by 2030, along with integration of IoT devices for seamless connectivity.